Hey ladies, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial on this braided ponytail look. This actually was my first time trying this style and it came out really cute. So if I can do it, you definitely can too. This style was actually under $10 and it took me less than 20 minutes. So this is definitely a quick style if you're on your way out the door, if you have plans made last minute and you need a cute hairstyle just to get you through the night. I got you. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this cute braided ponytail, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here I am just pulling my hair up just to see exactly where I want to place my ponytail. Do y'all see that forehead? It goes back for days, but it's okay because those baby hairs are going to get me right in just a second. Now, before I put my hair up in a ponytail, I do like to moisturize my hair since it was just washed. I do like to put a little oil throughout my whole head. So you see me just smoothing it in here. Okay, so I put my hair in a hot, loose bun so that I can put got to be glue, gel, whatever you're using. You're going to put it on your edges just so that you can brush everything up to look nice and slick down. Okay, so now it's time to bless those edges. You're going to be taking your edge brush, whatever brush that you have, just to slick everything down. Brush your edges up, get those loose baby hairs, anything that might not have been caught up in your ponytail. So as you can see, I'm taking my time here with this just because I want it to look nice and neat. And as you can see, I'm gripping and grabbing everything that I can. Yes, baby hairs come through. So once you have done all of that, now you can grab your scarf and just to tie everything down. We're going to leave that on there while we're doing the rest of the style. The hair I'm using is Expressions, and this is 1B, and then the color is just blue. I wanted to try something new. I've never really tried color in my hair except for red and like blonde. So this year I said I want to try a bunch of new colors. So I thought to go bold and do blue with this style. Now just to make sure that my hair stays in the braid, I'm taking some of that gel and just putting it all over my natural hair. Edges and all, ends, making sure that it's worked through. So I do take the comb and comb everything through. Now before we get to braiding, you do want to take a strand of your braiding hair out just to wrap around your ponytail so that your scrunchie and your rubber band at the beginning of your braid is not showing. So you just see me securing that in the front, and for real, I'm just putting it on with my scarf just to keep it out of the way. Now that that's done, go ahead and take the braiding hair and part it into 3 sections. And you're also going to do the same with your natural hair. So combining your 3 strands of natural hair with the 3 strands of braiding hair, now it's time to start braiding. Make sure that you tuck it in tightly just so that your natural hair does not come falling out of the braid once your style is finished. I did have to add another strand of hair. Actually, I had to do this twice, you'll see in the video, just to make the braid as long as I wanted it. You can definitely make the braid thicker. You can make the braid skinny. It all is your personal preference. I didn't want anything too thick because I don't personally like the thick braids. I just wanted something really cute that I could swing around and it wouldn't be in my face all day. So this is how I'm doing my braid, but you can definitely do it thicker if that's your preference. With this hair, I really didn't have to do much to the end. I just took a rubber band and secured it. Now with that extra piece of hair that we left out, you're just going to wrap it around your braid, making sure that none of the rubber bands is showing, or your scrunchie or whatever you use to secure your hair in your natural ponytail. And I did use Got To Be glue, free spray. I just sprayed it around that hair and that kept it in place. Now, I definitely should have used a silk scarf because this scarf was kind of cloth based. So when I took it off, it kind of ruined my baby hairs, as you can see. But that was an easy fix. I just took some more gel, put it over the baby hairs, and smoothed them back out. Is optional, but you can take a little bit of that oil just to give your hair some sheen after the style for a finishing touch. Now it's time to be the baddie that I am. I'm ready to go take a few Instagram pictures. So thank you ladies for watching, and let me know how it turns out for you.